Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's news, Toyota winning, and Lexus for that matter, winning all sorts of end of the year awards. Toyota's also making a return to video games other than Gran Turismo, something that I couldn't wrap my head around why they didn't do, but we'll jump into that. At the end, we have every single color of the LC convertible rendered. After the intro, let's hit it. Over at Kotaku, Toyota is ending its weird holdout from racing games. This has happened yesterday. What is happening? They haven't been in racing games since 2017. I believe one of the last ones was Forza Horizon 3, which I like playing quite a bit, but Forza Horizon 4, that's a mouthful. Forza Horizon 4 is definitely a better game, and I've been playing that more on the channel, guys, when I'm streaming, as some of you already know. So they never made like an official company statement why they were doing this. All we got was this as a tweet from Toyota UK. Oh, we're not going to be there. You can find our cars in GT Sport, which doesn't promote illegal street racing. The stupidest thing ever. But guess what? They're back at it because they are promoting the Supra again in Forza Horizon 4. I hope this opens up the floodgates here, not just to Forza, but to every single racing game. I really only play Forza games anymore. I actually don't really play games anymore. That's a sad reality. But hey guys, if you guys want to support me, head over to the Patreon page so I can do this full time, so I can stream playing racing games. How cool would that be? Anyways, this will drop on December 12th, guys. I will probably do a live stream. I'll buy this little pack with this Supra in it and race it for you guys, and it will be just like good old times like Need for Speed back in the day. Lexus continues pre-owned win streak with CPO, well, certified pre-owned honors from US News. This is the fourth year for Lexus in a row because they're talking about the win streak above. So 4 years in a row, Lexus has won best CPO program. Again, you can read about the CPO program down here. The reason why it's so good is because it provides the most value. 2 years unlimited miles, four services, or 2 years of services, whatever happens first. And most dealerships will also do unlimited car washes like mine. So if you guys have bought a CPO Lexus before, put it in the comments. I want to know your experience about it, and let's move on. Corolling in the green over at the newsroom. I thought Toyota was evil. I thought Toyota was not worthy of saving the planet or anything like that, right? Isn't California banning their vehicles since they're not complying to their emission standards? That sounds pretty Nazi to me. 2020 Corolla and Corolla Hybrid named Green Car of the Year by Green Car Journal. An 11-member panel of experts has selected the world's best-selling sedan and its first ever hybrid variant as the 2020 Green Car of the Year. So this is something that California should listen to here. Corolla sells in huge numbers worldwide. This means its impressive fuel efficiency of both gasoline and hybrid Corollas promises to bring substantial, cumulative, and meaningful reductions in carbon emissions and fuel use now and in future years. So they see the importance of this vehicle and how this vehicle just sells in such high volumes around the world. Its numbers have trailed off a little bit in America, but this hybrid is something special. While multiple Toyota models have finished as finalists over the years, this achievement marks just the second time Toyota has won this award since the Toyota Camry hybrid in 2007. It's been a while, guys. Then Toyota just being grateful. They're just so gracious. I could see them sending this to the California governor as like a big FU. But who knows? Who knows? I don't think this California thing is going to go through. I don't enjoy politics. I try to stay out of them as much as possible, but every once in a while it's kind of fun, right? Toyota's hybrid RAV4 wins Drive Car of the Year. We're over at the press room in Australia this time. This is a top award for the most affordable hybrid RAV4 SUV. They mentioned the GR Supra Camry hybrid and the Land Cruiser 200 are category winners. And this Land Cruiser, guys, it's not the V8 that we see in America. It's the twin turbo V8 diesel that we see elsewhere, sadly, but I'm glad someone gets it. Awards judged in week-long test of almost 100 vehicles in 20 categories. So what does this mean? Well, it means Toyota's most affordable hybrid RAV4 is the best new vehicle available on the Australian market. It's not a bad title to own right there, Toyota, not a bad title at all. It's also the best midsize SUV, and it won the Drive Award ahead of 19 other category winners, 3 of which were also Toyota vehicles. which we just mentioned, the Supra, Camry, and Land Cruiser. You feel free, guys, to read this entire article. It's quite long, and I'll leave that to you guys who are super nerds. Oof, here we go, guys, over at our boys Lexus Enthusiast. Photo gallery, all the Lexus LC convertible colors. I covered this in my video. I hope you guys didn't hear that. That was like 7 fire trucks going by my place. I hope the world isn't burning, but if it is, that's okay, because the LC convertible has been released and my eyes are feasting upon it, at least in digital form. So we have this nori green with this nice tan top, and we're gonna scroll down and look at all the colors. I will name them. I mentioned Super Nerd a second ago. I'm just going to go through each one of these colors and tell you their name. This is not scripted at all. This is right off the cuff. This is Structural Blue, Nightfall Mica. We have Nori Green, Flare Yellow, which is arguably my favorite. Here's a really cool. We didn't expect this color, the Cadmium Orange. We have Infrared, super sexy color. This one looks like Caviar, which is a metallic black. This is Obsidian, which is a glossy black. It's Atomic Silver, which is an outstanding color, but it would not be my first choice on this particular car. Liquid Platinum looks super cool, especially in the sun. This looks like Smoky Granite Mica, and last but not least, Ultra White. No Imminent White Pearl available on this model. Down below, we have the interiors. Of course, we have the Toasted Caramel, the interior that will go well with just about all the colors above, and then a red and a black as well. So what is Toasted Caramel going to go well with? Well, let's just start from the top. Well, we know the Structural Blue is only going to go white, so let's keep moving. I know white wasn't down there. Toasted Caramel look good with Nightfall. It would look really good with this Nori Green. Would not look so hot with this yellow. I would pick black to go with the yellow. I'd pick black to go with the orange. I have seen the Toasted Caramel with infrared. I call it the Carameled Apple. And that is a very, very awesome paint color. Now that we're getting into the blacks, I don't think I would pick the Toasted Caramel to go in the blacks, even though this one has it. I'd probably pick the reds, to be honest. I think that would go best with that. Or red. Red also goes really good with the Nightfall. Of course, the Toasted Caramel would go here. Yeah, yep, it goes well with most of them, as you guys would guess. Here's the blue top that is only in the Inspiration series with the Structural Blue. Of course, we saw this kind of the James Bond colors. Flare Yellow never gets old. But that's all the colors, guys. Let's wrap it up on the big rig, and I'll see you guys over there. Yeah, I just called the camera the big rig. I don't know. It's really late and I'm pretty tired, guys. I've been at the grindstone 3 days in a row trying to push you guys out the best content I possibly can while still juggling a full-time job. So I hope it's decent enough content for you guys on the big rig. Some exciting things to the channel. I know you guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the comments below. I got something working, at least with model cars. I'm trying to conjure something up here to bring you guys model cars of your favorite vehicles, Toyota, Lexus, maybe some other manufacturers as well. I love all sorts of exotic model cars. They're not just Japanese, but if I can get all sorts of really, really nice ones and feature them to you guys, man, that would be a lot of fun. And maybe I can get you guys a discount along the way and feature them as monthly giveaways. So if it works out, I will be bringing you more news about that very, very soon. But what do you guys think? Lots of stuff in this article, on these articles I talked about today. Lots of small news, but fun nonetheless. I will be playing Forza again with Toyotas. Oh, it's like a coming to Jesus moment. At least for Toyota, not for me, but for Toyota. You know what I'm saying? Like Toyota's finally getting their act together. Okay, anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace out.